welcome back to another video with your girl Mulavazi. And in today's video, what are we doing? Right now we're going to take a bath, and then after that we're tidying up my room, and then after that we're gonna do my hair. Christmas decorations, DIY Christmas decorations. I hope you're ready, and I hope that's right, you have liked and you have turned on post notifications to know when I post. And please comment. Let's talk. Say hi. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, loves. I really do. So let's get into this. Vlogmas Day 2. We are ready. We are locked in. We are doing Vlogmas this year. We are doing Vlogmas. I'm so excited that I know I can do this. I know I can do this. So let's do this. Let's go take a bath, babes. Let's go take a bath. I'm going to be using this, the Capcut Pimple Rescue, and it has SPF 15. This is so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And if you're using this, and if you're using this for the first time, be cautious. Don't put it near your eyes. Like, I love the glow that it brings on my face. Like, it leaves my skin looking a little glowy. I don't know if you can catch it on camera. My skin broke out because period. Yeah. Those are my biggest enemy. Oh, they are my biggest enemy. So we are done. Let's tidy up this room.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
So babes, these ones, the DIY decorations that we are going to do. The cloth that I used to wipe my camera, extra light for my videos. I got it from Temu. It is bright. The only problem is that this button here, it is so loose. It is loose, and this is where I write my notes. Personal. It's not a diary or anything. And extra. Look at this. Extra light for when I'm sitting down here. And yeah, and this is my tree. Loves, I just finished doing my hair. Okay, I just finished doing my hair now. I was combing it, and then my mom is going to plait it Benny and Betty, just a simple neat hairstyle so that I look presentable during, like, before the maintenance video. Yeah, Vlogmas. So yep, that's all what we are doing today. Right now, that's what we're going to be doing. And nails, they are in production. I do have nails for Christmas, and they're not Christmas themed. I try to do red, I cannot, but they're gonna be just the colors that I'm used to. I'm used to those colors. They don't bore me quickly. Even if they don't want to come out, I will be even more satisfied. So if you want to see those nails, go to my mom's second channel, and this is the name of the channel. Go to her channel and subscribe, like, turn on post notifications for our channel, comment, and get a sneak peek of my nails before I show them to you all. They're gonna be present if I didn't say that. So yep, like this video and continue watching. We are almost done. We are done with my room. And before I did my room, I did do the dishes, but I didn't show y'all. Who wants to see someone doing the dishes? No one, not me. Well, not all the time, so I didn't want to show y'all doing the dishes today. These lights are hot. I have 3 lights on me right now. So this is the hair. And that is it for today's video, loves. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 2. And I will see you guys on another one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Literally, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.